Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own updated guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Instagram app onto your device. So once you're already in, you should be able to receive a notification or a message if someone tagged you onto a story. So that is the only way you could go ahead and repost someone else's story. So they need to mention you onto that story or tag you onto that. So click onto the message icon in here, click onto your conversation, and there should be an option for you to add this to your story. Click on add to your story in there, and as you can see, it should go ahead and show you something like this. So you could click onto the post just like that to remove its name. So you could choose either way. You could go ahead and have their profile written onto the photo, or you could click onto that so that you could repost the same exact post on how they posted it. So you'll just have to click onto your story in here, and right after it will be uploaded onto your account. So let's refresh it first. And to view it, click onto your profile icon in here, and as you can see, it is still uploading. So you'll just have to wait for that one. And if you've noticed, if you press onto this one, then it should give you an option to go ahead and see here onto the upper part the owner of the post. So you could go back, and as you can see, that is how easy you could go ahead and repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.